Look here and listen carefully. Lysosomes. Explain in detail lysosomes, write classification of lysosome or polymorphism in lysosomes. What is meant by lysis means breakdown, somes means body. Inside the cell, plant cell or animal cell, most important lysosomal bodies are present, which are present in different structure, therefore called as polymorphism. Polymorphism. Lysosomes are restructuring units of cell. Restructuring units. These are membrane-bound vesicles containing hydrolytic enzymes. There are three types of hydrolytic enzymes are there. That is amylases, proteases, lipases. The enzyme which digest carbohydrate called as amylases. The enzyme which digest proteases called as proteins called as proteases, and the enzyme which digest lipid material called as lipases. Carbohydrate, proteins, lipids material is there inside the cell and digested by different types of hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicles containing hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes digest materials of different type. Lysosome produced from endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. The hydrolytic enzymes present in the lysosome produced inside the endoplasmic reticulum, then transferred through these transporting vesicles into the Golgi complex. In the Golgi complex, packaging around that vesicle and then secreted outside as a lysosome. These lysosomes first engulf outer material, food material, and digest that food material, and remaining residual body or undigested material given outside the cell as a waste material. Sometimes inner cell organelles like mitochondria or Golgi bodies, when old or worn out cell organelles are there, these cell organelles also digested. To clean up the cell inside, what happens? Worn out or dead or expired cell organelles are engulfed by also lysosomes. Therefore, these are also called as autophagic vacuoles. What is meant by autophagy? To engulf cellular material by the cellular organelle. Cellular organelle is the lysosome, and cellular material, worn out, dead material is there. After aging, that material should be digested into the lysosomes. That is called as autophagic vacuoles. Sometimes what happens, accidentally, when lysosomal body get broken down, at that time, what happens, hydrolytic enzymes inside the lysosome get exposed to the inner material of the cell or exposed to the inner part of the cell. At that time, cell is also digested. Therefore, these lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags. What is meant by suicide? In Marathi, आत्महत्या. पेशीतील जे काही स्ट्रक्चर्स आहेत ती सुद्धा नष्ट होऊ शकतात जर ऍक्सिडेंटली ह्याच्यातली हायड्रोलायटिक एन्झाइम बाहेर आली तर. म्हणूनच त्याला दुसरं नाव काय आहे? Lysosomes are called as suicidal bags. Why? Because from the lysosome, hydrolytic enzymes are released inside the cell. At that time, cell get digested automatically. Therefore, lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags. Is it clear to you? What is the function of lysosome? Digestion. Digestion of outer material and inner material. Inner material कोणतं? जे नको आहे, ओल्ड झालेलं आहे, जे वर्नआउट झालेलं आहे, जखमी झालेलं आहे, जे एजेड किंवा एक्सपायर झाले असे मटेरियल सगळे डायजेस्ट करण्याचं काम कोण करतं? लायसोसोम. इज इट क्लिअर टू यू? लायसोसोम्स रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग त्याला का म्हटलेलं आहे? पेशीची आंतररचना जुनं झालेलं काढून टाकायचं, नवीन निर्माण करायचं, म्हणजे आतमध्ये क्लीनअप होते पेशीचं. म्हणजे पेशी रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग करायचं काम कोण करतंय? लायसोसोम्स. कोण? लायसोसोम. ठीक.